To make this headband, I used baggy wool petite from the brand Casasol. Here you can see the specifications of this material. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adapt the size of the headband to make it bigger or smaller. I used with this yarn a 3.5mm crochet hook and scissors. So let's go with a step by step. In my case I will make a chain 19. Chain 19. If you want to change the number of chains that you have at the beginning to make the headband larger or smaller, you have to make an odd number of chains. And you have to know which one is the stitch of the middle of the chain. And you have to know which one is the stitch of the center of this chain. So start now making the first row. To make the first row you have to chain 1, turn and start making a single crochet decrease, a decrease of single crochet. Then continue with single crochet to the stitch before of the center of the headband. In my case I will make 7 single crochet. On the stitch of the center you have to make a treble increase, so 3 single crochet in the same space, a treble increase on the stitch of the center. This is how you have to make the peak of the center, and continue with 7 single crochet, in my case 7 single crochet, and you have to continue to have only 2 stitches. And once you have the 2 last stitches you have to make a decrease, another single crochet decrease. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Chain 1, turn. Now taking the back loops, only taking the back loops, you have to start with a decrease, make 1 decrease. Continue with 7 single crochet, or the number of single crochet that you need to arrive at the center of the headband. Then at the center you have to make 3 single crochet together, a treble increase, and continue with 7 single crochet again, single crochet to the last 2 stitches, and then make again 1 decrease. Remember, taking only the back loops. This is the second row and the row that you have to repeat to the end. Repeat one more time, chain 1, turn, and taking only the back loops, you only have to take the back loops to the end of the headband. Make a decrease, a single crochet decrease, 7 single crochet or single crochet to the center of the headband, Then make a treble increase, 3 single crochet in the same space, and then single crochet, in my case 7 single crochet to the last 2 stitches. And once you are at the last 2 stitches, make a decrease. Remember, taking only the back loops. And this is what you have to repeat in all the rows to have the size of the headband that you need. Once you have the size of the headband that you need, you have to chain 1, leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn, and with a tapestry needle you have to join the first row with the last row of the headband. Sewing the first row and the last row of the headband. Keeping the arrow shape